Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make baby food or Nepali baby food, jaulo or khichdi. This is for 6+ month old babies, and this is a complete food because I'm using here rice and lentil for the carb and protein, and different kind of veggies for vitamin and mineral. So this is a great option for a dinner or lunch, and really good for baby and very digestible. This is usually cooked in a pressure cooker because it is very quick, but you can use a regular utensil if you want. And in the pressure cooker I'm using some clarified butter or ghee. You can use regular butter or any kind of oil. So after the oil or ghee is heated, I'm putting some ajwain seed here. This is for the digestion. It is very helpful for the digestion to the baby and also the flavor. I'm also using some very small quantity of chopped onion. This is for the flavor, and you can also skip this if you really want, or if the baby is small you can skip this step. I'll be also using some garlic here. This is for the flavor, as well as it is also good for the digestion, but use very small quantity. And after that I'm putting those soaked rice and lentil here. So rice and lentil will be great option as a dinner because it will give it will be very fuller food for the baby. You can see I'm trying to roast them, and I'm trying to remove all the moisture here. And after that I'm putting the vegetables here. So here for the vegetable I'm using zucchini, some very small quantity of okra, green mustard and carrot. You can use whatever is available in your kitchen, and also as per your baby liking. If the baby is really small, you can use just spinach on as a veggies. You can see I'm also adding pinch of turmeric. This is for the color. Try not to use too much. And I'm trying to roast and mix them everything really well. So it also depends on the veggies. Sometimes the veggies will give lots of water, so you have to cook a little bit longer. So this is almost done, and I'll be adding water into it. So guys, if you are new to my channel and if you like this kind of content, please do subscribe to my channel, and also like this video, give feedback if you have any comment. So anyway, and so after I'm drying this out, I'll be adding warm water. If I add cold water, it will be a little bit more time to cook, so putting warm water will be maintaining the temperature here. So after adding the warm water, I'll be again giving it a stir and mixing everything really well. So it will be time to add some salt on it. You can use regular salt, but use very small quantity based on the baby's age. But you can also use the Himalayan salt during the time of serving. So after putting the lid on, the whistle will be around 4 to 5, and after 4 to 5 whistle I'll let it cool, and after that I'll be removing the lid. And you can see I have done that already, and the consistency of the jaulo or khichdi will be like this. It should be really messy, but to make it more mushier, if the baby is really small or young, you can use a regular food processor and make it really thinner. But I'm using like this, and my baby is like 10 months, and she can enjoy as it is. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do subscribe and like this video. Thank you.